I'd like you to show me by your hands how do you open your phone right now? What do you do? Show me with your hand. Oh, you got the one thing. Oh, is that you one-handed? You one-thumb it? That's awesome. Good. I actually have to hold it too. She's advanced. I need a class too. So you just swipe it open, right? How did you open your phone 10 years ago? How did you open your phone 20 years ago? You didn't have not even a landline at home? Like that, like that? Some people go like this. Pull over, I gotta get to a payphone. Anybody got 20 cents? I mean, right. And some of you look really young, you're like, a payphone, what's that? Check out a museum, they have them in there, they're real cute. How did you open up phones 30 years ago? Yeah, take it off the wall. How many of you were ballers, had the extended cord? So you could walk to the other room. I mean, that's royalty right there. Exactly. So, if computers and technology advances so quickly in 10-year intervals, in 5-year intervals, what do you think the brains of your kids are doing? Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.